I'll be doing you injustice if I don't show you exactly how I made this simple lemon cake at home. Chukua bakuli, a lemon, and then grate the maganda. Grate like a tablespoon hivo. Eka half cup of sugar. Then ukitumia mkono yako ukae kama unazimix kabisa hadi sukari ikae kama iko wet. Unaona, something like this. Sukari ikae kama imemwagiliwa maji. Eka half cup of oil. Mix them. Eka 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. 2 eggs. Eka moja una mix. Ile lemon yako unaikata, unatoa 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Unaika 2 tablespoons. 2. Endelea kumix. Eka 3/4 cups of milk. Endelea kumix. Zieke kando. In another bowl, eka 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of flour. Mix them. Add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients gradually while mixing. When you're done mixing, nikiwaletea hizo mafuta za kuspray mtanunua. Hebu comment. Chukua baking tray yako, uipake mafuta. In goes your cake batter. Bounce to remove bubbles. And then you're going to bake your cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Cake yako ikiwa imebakisha like 5 minutes hivi. This sugar. So utachukua this one. And pia nataka usqueeze lemon hadi upate a 1/4 cups. Uiweke somewhere. And then you add like 4 tablespoons hivo. Unazikoroga. Niteka like 1 teaspoon hivo ya vanilla essence just for the taste. And ikiwa hivo, iko sawa. Once your cake is done baking, utaimwagilia the mixture yenye umetengeneza ya icing sugar na lemon juice. Uimwagilie like ikuwe coated kabisa. Ututu ni tumaganda to lemon, but si lazima uweke. Just for decoration. And then you're going to let your cake sit for about 15 to 20 minutes hivo. And here's the final result. This is how the cake turned out. But yeah, it turned out pretty amazing. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.